solve until it shows questions from المعاصر book page 40. Look at with me about question number 1. A student is given 20 bags of cheese and 40 green bags to make food boxes. He uses the expression 10 plus 2 plus 4 in parentheses, 10 times 2 plus 4 in brackets here to represent how many boxes he could make with equal amounts of food in each box. His friend tells him that there is a way to make more boxes. Which one of the expression would represent his friend's solution? We know 10 multiplication by 2 plus 4 equals 6. The result will be 10 times 6, it will be equal 60. The result here is 60. Okay, you can write 2 height common factor between 2 and 4. You can simplify this expression. Write 2 outside here, and 2 times 10 equal 20. You can write here 20, and 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. If you get the result about 20 multiplication 1 plus 2 in brackets, the result will be what? 20 times 3 equal 60. It's equality. Okay, I will solve this example by another method. Look at with me here. We know 10 multiplication 2 plus 4 equal what? We can use here distributive properties. 10 times 2 equal 20, and 10 times 4 equal 40. And then we can write the least multiplication between 20 and 40. We know 40, and 40 can divide it by 20. 20 is the height common factor between them. Okay, then you can write 20 outside coefficient between two numbers here. 20 divided by 20 equal 1, and 40 divided by 20 equal 2. Then you can write this expression 20 times 1 plus 2. You must choose letter D. Okay, in this example you want to find the equivalent expression to 10 times 2 plus 4. You can solve this example by find the result of all choosing here. The result about letter A, look at here, 20 times 2 plus 4, it will be 20 times 6, it will be 120. Then it's false. I want to find the result 60, because the question he tells us 10 multiplication 2 plus 4, and we know 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 times 10 equals 60. So letter A is false. Okay, letter A is false. And what about letter B? Letter B, 10 times 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 times 10 equals 30. It's false. Letter C, 10 times 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 times 10 equals 50. It's false. Letter D, 20 times 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 times 20 equals 60. Then the result will be letter D. You can solve this example by this method. Get the result about the expression he gave us in the example, and the result about all choosing here. The result must be equal 60. 60 here, choose letter D. It's about question number 1, choose letter D. Understood? Question number 2. 30 plus 50 equal space. We can write this number 30 plus 50 by write greatest common factor between 30 and 50. We know the height common factor between 30 and 50 equal 10, and 30 equal 10 times 3, and 50 equal 5 times 10. You can write 10 outside here, height common factor between two terms here, and the result about term 1 it will be 3, and the result here it will be 5. Or you can write 30 divided by 10 equal 3, and 50 divided by 10 equal 5. Then the expression, you must choose letter A. Question number 2, choose letter A. Question number 3. Petra is making bakes for a group of her friends going a trip. Each bag should have the same number sandwiches and the same number of joys. If she has 24 sandwich and 30 joys, what is the expression greatest number of bags that she can make with no any left over? We have 24 and 30. 24 sandwich and 30 joys. Okay, we can solve this example by write the greatest common factor between 24 and 30. Who can tell me? We know 24 equal 4 multiplication by 6, and 6 equal 2 times 3, and 4 equal 2 times 2. And what about 30? 30 equal 3 times 10, and 10 equal 2 times 5. Okay, then you can draw two circles here, cut of them. The first prime factor of 24 here, and here prime factors of 30. The prime factor of 24 here equal what? 4, right? 2 and 2 and 2 and 3. And here 3 and 2 and 5. The common between them 3 and 2. It's the common prime factor right here, 3 and 2. And the result here will be 5. Okay? And here array 2 and 3. The result will be here 2 and 2. Okay? Can you tell me that this number 2 times 3 equal what? 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the greatest common factor between 24 and 30 equals 6. So you can write 6 outside here and open brackets to write the number 24 plus 30. You can write the greatest common factor outside. Write with me 24 plus 30. We can write 6 outside here. 24 divided by 6 equal 4, and 30 divided by 6 equal 5. Understood? Choose letter D about question number 3. Question number 3. Choose what? Choose letter D. Again, we have 24 sandwiches and 30 joys. We want to put it in the boxes. How many boxes? 6 boxes. In the 6 boxes, we put 4 sandwiches. Each one put in it 4 sandwiches and 5 joys. Okay, and we'll draw here how many boxes we used here to put all the food here. We have sandwiches and drinks and sandwiches. We have 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put in each one 4 sandwiches and 5 joys. 4 sandwiches and 5 joys, and so on. 4 sandwiches and 5 joys. 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 Understood this example? So you must choose letter D about question number 3. It's very important, this example. You can solve this example by get the greatest common factor. Question number 4. 7 multiplication 2 plus 1. We use the here distributive properties. 7 times 2 equal 14, and 7 times 1 equal 7. Choose letter A about question number 4. Question number 5. Space multiplication by 5 plus 2 equal 15 plus 6. We know 15 plus 6. We can simplify this expression by write height common factor between them, or greatest common factor. 15 and 6 can divide it by 3. The greatest common factor between 15 and 6 equal 3. You can write 3 outside here. 15 divided by 3 equal 5, and 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Then you must write 3 in the space. About question number 5, choose letter P. Question number 6. From the opposite Venn diagram, the prime factors of two numbers. Here the expression that represents the addition of two numbers is. He gives us two circles cut in this part. Here write 2 and 2 and 3. We know the first number here, 3 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. And the next number here, 4. We have 12 and 4. 12 plus 4 equal what? We can write greatest common factor between them, 2 times 2 equal 4. And open parentheses here. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. And 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Again, write 4 outside. 2 times 2 equal 4 outside. Add here the remainder 3. And here remainder 1. Understood this method? Okay, using this method to find the expression addition. Okay. Question number 7. Five times 2 plus space equal 10 plus 35. We know 5 times 2 equal 10. And 5 times what equals 35? 5 times 7. Write 7 here. Understood? Choose letter P about question 7. Last question, question 8. 9 multiplication by 1 plus 2 equal 9 plus space. We used here distributive properties. 9 times 1 equal 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. Choose letter C about question 8. Understood?